welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, everyone? I hope you're doing great. We're gonna look today at AXIE Infinity, and just want to say massive thanks to all the subs. We literally hit 1.5k today. Do hop into that Discord down below if you want to be part of the community whilst it's still fully free as well, in the description for you to find. So we're looking at AXIE Infinity, but just before we do start, we're going to look at this bit of data right here, which does reflect our alt seasons. And you probably remember last April, May 2021, we had huge alt seasons with almost blow off top like chart activity, and of course, you know, since then in January this year we had apparently an alt season as well. So we got that alt season. It wasn't as wild as what we would have hoped for, but we still got a bit of an altcoin season. So right now we're in the Bitcoin season, as you can see, and maybe it reflects, or you know, does prove to be a good area of reaccumulation for particular altcoins, whilst, you know, Bitcoin is sort of doing its thing, just consolidating and trading sideways. So we can look at AXIE Infinity. Of course, it's one of our play to earn projects. Really beautiful. This kicked off massively, very euphoric pump. So we're going to see if there's still any hope or chance to hit some new all-time highs of this game, or is it kind of over and done with, I suppose. So AXIE Infinity is trading at $46.26, rank 36, $3.4 billion market cap. So still got a very significantly high market cap. We can see here as well, if we go to the yearly time frame, we can see $157 was the all-time high, and we're literally sitting at a tiny $46 right now. So does it scream undervaluation? Well, these are the charts right here, and you can see what's going on. The daily time frame is we're producing this huge descending triangle right here. And if we also look at these horizontal lines I've drawn in, these are the Fibonacci retracement lines, as you can see right here. If I was to jot those in to the very top, they marry up with those lines, and this is the 0.7, this is the 0.6, this is the 0.5 right here. So we have lost a lot of support. You can see we're down 73% from the top over a long period of time. You know, that distributive phase was 128 days, so you could assume that the lull will also take maybe 120 days right here. So maybe we won't even get another pump until sort of June time, because the supply phase needs to be almost as long as the distributive phase. And yeah, it's very interesting to see. So what could happen here? I mean, what I have noted is that it is a key undervaluation zone for dollar cost averaging, because we come back to this significant support level. The next support level below this will be very significant, around this particular price level at around $35. So we could break and lose support here at $45 on our descending triangle, and if we were to do that, it does mean we could come down to around $35 you know, in the support. So that's written in from this wick here on the 26th of July, and it's very scary to think we could fall and lose all the support here, guys. So just remember these descending triangles are bearish continuation patterns, meaning if the trend prior was bearish or downtrend, we're seeing lower highs, lower lows, then you're likely to see a break to the downside. You can learn more about these trading chart patterns in my trading tutorial video explaining all the chart patterns for you. You can find that somewhere here or here. So yeah, what's going on is big descending triangle. We are under that 20-day moving average on the daily time frame. We don't have any real bullish activity on the MACD, and the RSI is very tight. It's very neutral. For our time frame, you can see we're just getting more information, seeing how much we're trying to not break through this support level. We did get a nice bounce at $45.3, but is it going to be enough to hold us back? As you can see, we're getting a lot of consolidation here, which is effectively a good thing. So this is what, you know, could happen on the bearish side. On the bullish side, I'd like to think we can break out of this descending triangle, and if we did, you know, we could possibly come and break out the $50 resistance, produce a nice impulse to around $65, and maybe see even continuation to the upside. So that's the bullish scenario. We've got bearish scenario A, we've got bullish scenario B, and that's what could possibly happen. So that's in the short term. But what about the long term? What sort of price targets could we look at for AXIE Infinity? Well, if you think about it, if we use a fib extension and assume this is the market top, this is the market cycle bottom, then we can use our extension to give us some pragmatic targets. We can see the first one would be around the 1.618, so easily we could say straight off the bat that $240 is a realistic target. We've also got the first price discovery target of $196, and then we also have the in between $217. So these are some nice targets for the next bull market cycle or big bull run, whatever you want to call it. So maybe the major alt season will lead into these prices, but I don't know, because the returns still seem like they're diminishing per alt season. So yeah, we lost that huge support here. As you can see, we got the rollover, and now we're trying to lose support here as well on the descending triangle, and we're quite far away from the bull market support band for AXIE Infinity. So that's about a wrap really for AXIE Infinity. Make sure, guys, if you are new here as well, do consider becoming a patron. You're going to receive an ebook, access to giveaways, premium Discord access, and also one-on-one messaging to help transform your crypto journey. And you can do all of that at literally the price of a coffee. So if you want to support the channel and the growth, and you know it's a big part of my income, then please do. I'd be very, very happy and appreciate that. So yeah, that's about a wrap, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, leave some suggestions on what to look at next. See you soon.